I used to sell out the trunk of my car or the boot of my car. Whoever's listening to this, you'll know which one I mean. I used to sell out the back of my car. I used to make up a batch of stuff and go put it in the car, go and sell it, and that was how I started. Then I used to do like flea markets and stuff like that.
Do you remember Oruche Originals?
I remember all of it. and going back to those times, it was hard, and it's even to get into a store. They might like your design, but they want to pay such a pitiful amount for it, and then they want you to mass produce it, so you take all of the risk. And I know I've had people who've gone and they've produced what they've asked them to produce, and they've said, oh no, we don't want it.
It's so rolling.
Of
course.
A lot of our designers to, like I said, produce what comes from them and not what we don't dictate anything.
Right, so there's a lot of eclectic.
Very, very eclectic, this store, very eclectic.
Okay.
We have also a vintage.
Very bright too.
Vintage section.
Okay. Where's that?
That's over on this side, and this is sometimes we do reconstructed vintage where they, we have clothes that are vintage and they cut them up and sew things onto them and just make them totally look different.
I like the collar you're wearing. Where did you get that from?
This is from London.
Okay.
We shop. We have designers from London also that sell from here, so it's an international store.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. They're unknowns, but that doesn't mean that they're not good. It just means that you're not going to see this stuff everywhere. It's so
boutique.
Very boutique. So this is just made up of.
You've cut out the middleman.
Basically.
Gotcha.
But I'm not even going to those distributors. I'm going to
and
actual
you've got
people.
Purses and socks.
Socks.
I mean, what don't? And you've got Tampax in the window. Is that always? Yeah. Why do you have always in the window?
Because that's to tell people to always visit our store. We have Art A Squared. He does a lot of asymmetrical, funky clothing. We have a guys section that's small and it's usually at the front of the store because the guys don't like to walk.
Written on the walls. Can you explain what's 4 Chronicles 10?
They are scriptures that mean something to me.
What does this one mean? Would you read it for me?
Or they're written by people that come in the store. This one is, it's the prayer of Jabez, and it says, "Oh, that you would bless me indeed, enlarge my territory, let your hand be with me, and keep me from evil, so that I will be free from pain."
Wow.
Well, it's a scripture because you should just get on with your own life and not get in it's. The rest of it says to mind your own business, to work with your hands. So that's do an honest day's work, and so that you'll win the respect of other people, and so you will not be dependent on anybody.
I do like that. What I connect with in mind, I will connect with in time.
Yeah, that's a saying from my pastor, Pastor Rowan, and he says, "What you think in your head, you will soon hold in your hand." And that's basically what that means, and that's important for me because the vision of this store came through my head, and now I'm actually physically holding it in my hand. I don't sell anywhere else. They sell here, and
So is it almost like you're giving them their first chance to be retailed?
Well, for a lot of people, it is their first chance.
Wow.
Why did you call it Glad Love?
Because it stands for God Loves and Directs, and it was a name given to me, I believe, by the man himself.
How did he give it to you?
In a dream.
Meaning?
Yeah, I dreamt it.
Well, I mean, I don't understand that, how... I normally, honestly, when people tell me they have dreams from God, think that they're insane. So, since I know you're not insane, how does that...
I might be insane. But
no.
Look, I'm sitting in the insanity.
Sitting in the insanity.
This is